Collins, we have Mark Collins, out of Marshall. Mark Collins, out of Marshall. Ooh, boy. Yeah. You're in tech. Yeah. Somebody says that. All right, Minnesota, Rich Shaker, you out there? Okay. And we got two pitches free, Mike, two pitches free, Mike, two pitches free, please. Thank you. Ready?
Want somebody here?
What's that?
Want somebody here?
We got Brian, you want to go down? Go down. Thank you. Ready? Marshall ready? Everybody's on the tone, let's stand by. Jumping for us on that tone, keep race lead. And let's survive. I think I'm going to leave on for Kyle Pett, I'm going to be my little behind the cross there in the dark. Man, there's still like the mouse, super shut in the back. Problems. Looks like it's going to be AJ Moresco, right into the race lead. Kyle Pett running in the three spot, right side, running in the three, Moresco. Looking for another win here, took a win in the blue drive, step up, you know that direction, going down that front straightaway. Kyle Pett, truck looking really fast. Going up and over, Jay Concept going all over the back. Up AJ Moresco, AJ a little quicker through the edges. Oh, Moresco into the pipe, Kyle Pett down to the race lead as he goes down the front straightaway. Kyle Pett got about a second gap now up on Moresco. Again, looking really fast. Through the edges, Moresco, here's your team, like I did pretty flat through the edges. Keeps it off the pipe and stop it, goes down the front straightaway. The Cats got a lot of speed, that 2-5 hill. And Moresco able to carry more corner speed. He's closing in on his back bumper now, to put a lot of pressure here on Miles. Miles a little wide in that corner. Getting it tight, and he's coming back through the edges. Left hand side of the track on that team to flash down. Right in front of the driver's hand, all that step up tabletop over there in the corner. Jay Concept double now, that should be my PS and Moresco all over the back of Kyle Pett. Looking for a way past. Pett might be getting able to run a nice smooth clean through the corners. Moresco here, but oh, there's the nothing. Pett went a little wide. Moresco picks it away from him. Now AJ goes a little wide. He's going to go hold on to the little. Oh, man, he's tied up behind traffic. That's going to get the lead now. Back to Pett. Moresco taking it up to 2. And 2 minutes down, 3 minutes left to go. 2 down, 3 left to go. Pett out in front. Moresco running in the number 2 spot. Working around some left traffic. Here they go back to the start finish line. Looks like they're coming behind Temple here in just a moment. Moresco all over the back of Pett. Pett runs on the fight now in the race here. It's going to be Kyle Pett. And back up in the third place as he can get last on line number 1. It's going to be Ronald Molina. All the way up into the 3. He's racing back to the front. We got a 3-way battle now going on for the top spot. Pett running in 2. Molina comes in on him. We got Van Temple right there, last trailing. Oh, there's last pass done. Molina now up into that number 2 spot. Temple going to let him go past 2 and 3. On to the Jay Concept double. To get into the little battle. Wow, across the move there. Looks like we got Jordan Miller come across the thing. Just like a St. Kitty, taking your left down. Let's get through. Let's get through. Ronnie Molina now up into that number 2 spot. AJ Moresco with some reader. We got a good battle going on here. Here's your Miller outside front. Cameron Molina running down. He's got a minute 45 left to go. He's got Matt Trevor to deal with the Daniel Whiteside. Right in front of him. Dave pulls up to let you through. Looks like we're going to break out the truck. I think that might be John Briggs possibly in front of him. Oh man! Whiteside, excuse me. Molina going to be tied up the last crossing. He's still going to hold on to his position though. He's losing time. AJ Moresco has got an extremely fast truck. Kyle's winding down here on the clock. AJ Moresco out in front of Molina running under 3 spot. Kyle Pett in 3/4 minute of 4. John Perry in the 8. Back up to the 9. And George Singletary in the 10. Oh, we got one that rolls upside down. We get it worked out. AJ Morales got a comfortable lead as he's working his way around a lot of that traffic. Now coming up behind the back, it looks like Ruben Diaz. On to the front straightaway to go. Oh, man, last one, he's tied up with the black gun. He's able to start over the top of him. Molina trying to close in. 30 seconds to go. Gas last up by 4 seconds. Molina charging hard here at the end. Race gas by 2 seconds. He's got Max Temple right there in front of him. He's going to let it pass. Molina has nobody standing in between him and AJ Morales. Only 15 seconds left to go on the race clock. He's closing in very quickly. Orozco bringing us to the final time. I don't know if somebody's there left in the kitchen. He's going to squeeze him one more lap as well. Orozco rolling the front straightaway. He's going to go. First time down and third car is in front of him. He's able to slip past. Now off to the car for the double. Around that horseshoe turn to the pit back to the double. Molina closing in so quickly, but he's going to run out of time. And it's going to be AJ Orozco taking the race win with Robert Molina finishing in that number 2 spot. Alpha Cat's going to be in the 3, George Newman in the 4, Ruby Diaz in the 5, John Freeman in the 6, Dave Kennedy in the 7, back up in the 8, get West out the 9, and George Singletary in the 10.
Much pain.